Volkswagen replacing backside speakers. There is one screw. Here is one lock. You have to tilt it, and this thing you need to open. There is one screw inside, and there. Let's have a hole here, and there is cable. Factory gives you hole and cable both. Six-inch size, 6.5 inch. Be careful for this lock. You have to tilt like this, then you can remove for opening door. It has a screw here, screw here, screw here, and there is one lock here.
लूज तो नहीं मिल
नहीं सही. Okay, we install JBL 6.5 inch speakers. We are also installing mat and these covers.